Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, chances are you're either dreaming of your first cruise or you've already booked it and you're starting to feel those pre-vacation jitters. Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into everything a first-time cruiser needs to know to have the most amazing, stress-free vacation possible. Our purpose here is simple: to ensure your first cruise is a smooth, enjoyable, and unforgettable experience. We'll cover every key aspect, from what to pack before you even leave home to the moment you step off the ship at the end of your journey. So get ready to learn the ropes, because it's time to set sail on your ultimate guide to cruising. First up, let's talk about packing. This is where many first-timers get overwhelmed, often leading to overpacking. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think when you approach it strategically. The goal is to pack smart, not heavy, ensuring you have everything you need without unnecessary bulk. When it comes to essential clothing, think comfort and versatility. You'll want comfortable attire for various weather conditions, from warm, sunny days to cooler evenings or air-conditioned interiors. Layering is always a good idea. Don't forget your swimwear. You'll likely spend a lot of time by the pool or at the beach. For elegant evenings, especially if you plan on dining in the main dining room or specialty restaurants, pack some formal attire. This could be a nice dress or slacks and a collared shirt. Footwear is equally important. Bring comfortable walking shoes for shore excursions, as you'll be doing a lot of exploring. Flip-flops or sandals are perfect for around the pool and casual strolls on deck. A dressier pair of shoes will complete your evening outfits. Sun protection is non-negotiable. The sun at sea can be intense, so pack plenty of sunscreen with a high SPF. A wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses are also crucial for protecting your face and eyes from harmful UV rays. For health and personal items, remember to bring any necessary medications, both prescription and over-the-counter. Keep them in their original containers. While ships have basic toiletries, it's always best to bring your preferred brands and any specific items you can't live without. Consider bringing a small backpack or day-use bag. This will be invaluable for carrying daily essentials, like water bottles, sunscreen, and souvenirs during your shore excursions. It keeps your hands free and your belongings secure. Finally, and this is vital, prepare a carry-on bag specifically for embarkation day. This bag should contain all your valuables, essential medications, and important documents like your passport and cruise papers. It's also wise to include a change of clothes, a swimsuit, and basic toiletries. This way, you're prepared and comfortable even if your checked luggage is delayed in reaching your stateroom. Embarkation day is a whirlwind of excitement, but with a few key tips, you'll glide right through the process. Your smooth sailing truly begins the moment you arrive at the port. Have your cruise documents, passport, and identification readily available and easily accessible. You'll need these multiple times, so keep them in a secure but convenient spot. Arrive at the port during your assigned boarding window to help manage congestion and ensure a quicker check-in. The check-in process involves several steps. First, you'll go through security screening similar to an airport, so be prepared to remove electronics and liquids. Next, you'll proceed to document verification, where your identity and cruise details are confirmed. This is also where you'll receive your cruise card, which is your lifeline on board. It serves as your room key, your onboard charge card, and your identification. Guard it carefully. Once on board, it's time for your onboard orientation. Take some time to explore the ship and familiarize yourself with its layout. Locate your stateroom, find the main dining rooms, and identify key public areas. This initial exploration will save you time and stress later. Before the ship sets sail, you'll be required to attend a mandatory safety drill, also known as the muster drill. This is a crucial briefing where you'll learn about emergency procedures and your assigned muster station. Pay close attention, as this information is vital for everyone's safety. It's usually quick and provides essential knowledge for your voyage. Once you're settled, navigating the ship and enjoying the dining delights becomes central to your onboard experience. Cruise ships are massive, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of finding your way around quickly. Familiarize yourself with the ship's layout by exploring thoroughly on the first day. Locate key areas such as your stateroom, the main dining rooms, pools, entertainment venues, and guest service